So now let's go ahead and install the next virtual machine, that is OWASP. Again, the process is same. You need to go to this link, download this, repeat the same process. We are now installing OWASP. OWASP stands for Open Web Application Security Project. So what we are doing is we are downloading a vulnerable website, vulnerable web application, right? So now what we need to do is again simply go to new and type OWASP over there. Again select Linux. In my case I already have OWASP, so I will name it as OWASP new. Type is Linux. Next, again assign 1 GB, that is 1024. Click on next. You have to repeat the entire same process. Only change is instead of Metasploitable VMDK, you have to select OWASP ka VMDK that you have already downloaded and decompressed. Click on choose, next, finish. Before powering on, simply make sure the settings should be bridged. So go to network and select bridged adapter, click on OK and start. Yeah, it should look like this. The username and password are mentioned over here. Still, I will write it in the notepad. Username is root. Password is OWASPBWA. You simply need to log in, root space OWASPBWA. Press enter. And again you have to find the IP address of this. It's already mentioned, but still if you want to find out the IP address, again repeat the same process. IP space AD, and I'm writing the IP address over here. IP address is 192.168.0.112. It might be different for you in your case. 192.168.0.112. So basically now we have 4 machines in front of us. First is our Windows OS, which is the host. Then Kali Linux machine, which is the attacker. Metasploitable and OWASP VMs are the targets or the victims. So we have installed so far Oracle VirtualBox, Kali Linux virtual machine, which is the attacker. Metasploitable VM is nothing but our victim's machine. OWASP is also a victim.